Side imaging recording you're looking at here is in a heavily grassed area out in the California Delta. One thing that's important to talk about when you talk about side imaging and grass, the side imaging beam will show you grass in a great presentation if the beam is able to get over the top of the grass and shoot down on top of the grass as it goes out. If the beam can't get over the grass, for example, if the grass came all the way to the top of the water, the side imaging beam will not penetrate through the grass. You can see here on the screen right now we've gone through a transition area from heavy grass down to just on the left hand side a smooth bottom. You still got grass over on the right hand side, as you can see on the screen. So if you can get that beam, if the grass in this case is matted down pretty low, even though you're in very shallow water, between 4 and 7 feet, the side imaging beam can still get over the top of you and give you that presentation. Another great feature about side imaging is you can actually activate the cursor and then come over to an object, as you can see happening on the screen right now, that's going to show you more detail of objects, because you can cursor over to it and then zoom in, and you can actually move the cursor around to see detail as well as searching for fish. This is a great feature of side imaging. In addition to this, you can also, while you cursor out to an object, you can mark that object, and you're not marking where the boat is, but you're actually marking where that cursor is, so you're able to mark a structure and come back and fish that later on. As you can see now, we're going through another transition. You're seeing more isolated patches of grass coming on both the left and right hand screen, and now we're fixing to transition back into a heavier area of grass on both sides of the boat. As you can see from side imaging, it is a great technology to be able to show you the grass out there, show you isolated pockets where fish might be hanging out. Also, if you notice on the screen now, we're going through the different color palettes that you can use for side imaging, just to get a feel for how they look in different color palettes.